and welcome back to our channel. This weekend we've got some friends over and we will be grilling, and therefore in this video I would like to show you 3 of the most popular German barbecue salads. I will be preparing different varieties. We're gonna start with a potato salad, then we're gonna do the cabbage one, and then the noodle one. So now without further ado, let's just start. We're gonna start this video with a very simple potato salad, which is the Swabian potato salad. It actually consists only of potatoes and dressing. If you are making any potato salad, you need to make sure that the potatoes that you use are the waxy potatoes, not the starchy ones. Waxy potatoes remain day shaped after being cooked and cut. In my opinion, the best potatoes to make potato salad from are the jacket potatoes. And here, make sure that you don't overcook them. As soon as the potatoes are cooked, you can put them on the newspaper to cool them down a bit. You won't be able to peel them as soon as they are as hot as those ones. In the meanwhile, you're gonna have some time to prepare your dressing. So for this, you're gonna need to chop onion very finely. Fine, like this would be enough. The separate pot, you need to cook around 200 milliliters of broth. The dressing made of beef broth tastes the best, but of course, if you are vegetarian, you can use the vegetarian variation. And actually, if you are using a vegetable broth, I think this salad is even vegan. But please correct me if I'm wrong. Anyway, the next step is to add vinegar to the broth, some sugar to balance it out, a bit of salt, pepper and mustard. At our home we always use mustard for the potato salad. It really doesn't matter if that's the one with a broth or the one with mayo. And the last dressing ingredient is the raw onion that we have chopped before. And at this point your dressing is ready. You can leave it like that while you're peeling and slicing the potatoes. So the next thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna peel the potatoes. At this point they should be cool enough, which makes this task a little bit easier for you. I am actually a terrible peeler, so it took me ages. I will speed this video up here because you're gonna fall asleep in a second. As soon as you're done with peeling, you need to slice the potatoes. For the proper German potato salad, the slices need to be actually pretty thin. Thin like that or even thinner. And as soon as you are done with this, you can add your dressing to the salad. Oh my goodness, that looks already pretty good to me. People like eating this kind of salad warm, but I prepare my salad with a lot of liquid and let it rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours so the potatoes can soak some of this dressing. I think that they taste much better if you prepare them this way. Before serving, you need to add a little bit of oil. Vegetable oil would do, or actually any oil without strong taste. Please don't use olive oil, okay? And yes, at this point, your salad is ready to be served. The next salad that I would like to talk to you about is the cabbage salad, and I actually make my cabbage salad a little bit different than other people in Germany, or the salad that you can actually buy in the supermarket. Most of the people in Germany usually marinate the cabbage in oil and vinegar, as well as salt, sugar and pepper. I won't be marinating my cabbage, I will be just preparing a dressing. So first you're gonna need to remove the outer leaves from the cabbage. I remove always like 3 or 4. And then cut the cabbage in half, then in the quarters, and then even in smaller pieces. To cut the cabbage into smaller pieces, I will be using food processor, but if you don't have one, you can also use your knife. Please don't forget to remove the core. The traditional German cabbage salad is cut into shreds. Because my food processor doesn't have this option, I will grate it into smaller pieces. The next step is to add a good amount of salt, which, like cucumber, has a lot of water in it. Salt will remove the water, and that's much better because that way your salad won't get watery after adding the dressing. Then you mix it all together and let it rest for at least 1 hour. And please don't forget to remove the excess water before adding the dressing. The next step is to prepare the dressing. So we're gonna use a vegetable oil as well as vinegar and also a bit of sugar in the liquid form. Then you're gonna mix it all together. Don't add any salt because I did add a lot of salt before, so the cabbage should be salty enough. And this is it. This is my recipe for the simple German cabbage salad. I know that some also add caraway seeds, raw onion and even bacon. Feel free to add some of those if you like. The cabbage salad tastes a bit better if you let it rest for at least 3 hours in the fridge. And the last salad that we will be talking about is the traditional German noodle salad. To make this, we're gonna use a can with peas and carrots. Peas can stay exactly as they are, but you can cut the carrots into smaller pieces. If you are using very small carrots, the slices would do. A traditional German noodle salad has a bit of meat if it's ham or Fleischwurst, so Bologna sausage. It doesn't really matter. So you want to cut the sausage that you are using into smaller cubes. The next ingredient that you want to cut are the pickled cucumbers, and those should be cut also in smaller pieces. So now we are going to prepare the dressing. We are using actually mayo mixed with yogurt, but you can use mayo only if you like. For this dressing, we use also water from the pickled cucumbers, a good 3 tablespoons of this. Now there wouldn't be any German dressing without adding some mustard, as well as pepper and also some salt. My husband also loves adding paprika powder and cayenne pepper. We always do that afterwards. So now we're gonna assemble the salad. We're gonna need our chopped carrot as well as the peas, the Bologna sausage as well as the pickled cucumbers, and finally a good amount of noodles. If you like some green in it, you can also add some chives or parsley or both. At this point, your salad is ready. I think this salad is a bit easier to make as the cabbage or the potato salad, but it still needs resting after being made. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you did enjoy this video. I do have some links with the recipes for you, so please check out the description box down below for this. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos like this. And also, if you like to express your gratitude and support, from this week on, you can purchase a super thanks. You can actually do that by clicking the super thanks icon under this video. I really do appreciate all of your support. At this point, please let me know in the comments down below what are the side dishes you are preparing for your grill parties. I would love to get some inspiration also from you. So thank you very much for watching, stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next video next week. Bye!